Imagine your credit report is a locked file cabinet with your money story inside. A hard inquiry happens when a company opens that cabinet to decide if they want to lend to you. If you applied for a card, loan, car, or apartment, you likely handed them the key. But if you never gave permission, that is a problem. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Identify unauthorized inquiries on your report. Understand what can and cannot be disputed. Learn to dispute with credit bureaus effectively. Send certified letters to creditors for proof. Take action against identity theft inquiries. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Permissible purpose. A legal reason for a company to check your credit report. Certified letter. A mailed letter with proof that you sent it and proof it was delivered. Identitytheft.gov report. An official report you create if someone used your identity without permission. Now let's jump in. Here is the part most people miss. You cannot remove a real inquiry just because it hurt your score or you changed your mind. If you applied, it usually stays for 2 years. The score impact is often small and fades over time. The inquiries to fight are the ones you do not recognize and did not authorize. Credit is not just a score. It is a risk profile, like a report card for how lenders see your money habits. 1 or 2 normal inquiries may not scare anyone, but a bunch of recent pulls can look like someone is shopping for too much credit at once, like loading a grocery cart when your budget is already tight. Pull your reports from all 3 bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Do not assume they all show the same thing. Look for the inquiry section. Ask, did I apply here? Did I give permission? Is this tied to a car dealer, phone plan, bank, apartment, or loan I remember? Circle only the ones that truly do not make sense. If an inquiry is not yours, dispute it with the bureau reporting it. Keep it simple. Say, I did not authorize this inquiry, and I do not believe the company had permissible purpose. Permissible purpose means a legal reason to check your credit. Ask the bureau to investigate and remove it if no legal reason exists. Now go to the company that pulled your credit. Send a certified letter. Certified means the post office gives proof it was mailed and received. Ask them to show proof that they had permission or another legal reason to access your report. Think of it like asking, show me the key you used to open my file cabinet. If the inquiry came from identity theft, do not treat it like a normal dispute. Go to identitytheft.gov and file a report. That report is powerful because it tells the bureaus this may be fraud. With the right identity theft report, the bureaus generally must block the bad information within 4 business days if it meets the rules. Sometimes a bureau or creditor does not fix it the first time. Stay calm and keep records. Save reports, letters, certified mail receipts, and replies. If the inquiry was truly unauthorized and they will not correct it, you can file a complaint with the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. This is not about gaming the system. It is about protecting your file cabinet.